Hi, it's Laura Giles with Pan Society. I got a question from a viewer who wants to know if I could send him a curse. So it seems that someone is bothering him, getting on his nerves, needs a little lesson, and he wants to know how to curse somebody. If you have that question too, stay tuned. So you come to Animism looking for some help with your curse spinning. So I am really glad that you're asking that question, exploring that, and seeing what Animism has to offer for you. So the first thing, at Pan Society, we're always talking about sovereignty, connection, and oneness. So what sovereignty means is that, yes, you could do that if that's what you're interested in doing. However, it's certainly going to interfere with your connection with people, right? Because you're creating separation between you and this person that you're trying to curse. And the other thing is that it's a manipulation of their free will. So if I'm sending you something positive or negative, it doesn't really matter. But if I'm sending you something that you didn't ask for and you didn't want, then it is interfering with your free will. It's a manipulation of your free will, and it's treading on your sovereignty. So it's not a great idea because it's not allowing you to be the master of your own life. The other thing about curses is that it's just, if you think about yourself as a co-creator, so we're all co-creators. We all have this divine energy and this power within us to create anything, reality, and that's how curses work, really. We're channeling our power in that direction. And is that the way you really want to go? You want to send out darkness? That's coming back to you. Everything you send out comes back to you. I don't think a lot of people who are attracted to witchcraft and thinks it's sexy and cool and Harry Potter and all of this stuff understand that law of reciprocity. What you send out comes back to you. So if you're sending out curses and you're doing all this stuff, yeah, you're going to start to see it show up in your life too. And I don't think that's the intent. So what I would suggest that you do instead, there's a great little video that I did a long time ago. It's called Loving Kindness. Send them that instead. It's going to soften their heart, and it's going to soften your heart towards them, and it's going to make things a lot more peaceful. And when the energy is wonderful, then it benefits everybody. So that's one thing to keep in mind, is that we are all co-creators of this universe. Everything we do has an impact on everything else. That's the web of life. That's the whole thing. When the weather changes, it impacts everything. It impacts whether we have light and rain and all of these things, and do we have enough food, and do we have enough everything. And so you want to keep this heart in a space of abundance, in a space of peace, so that everything around you is in that, and there's love and light for everybody. I hope. If that's not where you are, then I guess you have a right to do whatever you want. But sorry to say that I'm not going to be the one that's going to instruct you on how to do that curse, because that's not an energy that I really want out there. Sometimes we inadvertently curse people. There's lots of people who curse all the time. Think about what you're sending out there, because it has an impact. So you might think about your actions, your deeds. It's a real thing. So hope that you're having a great Halloween season and that you are healing, not hurting. If this video helped you, or if you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. It does help us out. Thanks. Ciao.